Thutha wa kuhamurithio na kwirwa coke na makamishna aria angi niguo mathikiririo hamwe, mwikiriri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni aracokire na makamishna na murugamiriri munene Ezra Chiloba mathaa ma utuku. Hamwe na ugaruruku uria kamiti ino ya bunge yendekithitie ni kugarura watho na kuga munini wa muikariri giti wa IEBC no arute mawira ma muikariri giti angikorwo atari ho, o hamwe na kunyihio kwa makamishna aria mangitua itua thutha wa githurano. Akiheana maoni ma IEBC mbere ya kamiti iyo ya bunge, muikariri giti wa IEBC Wafula Chebukati ni aroigire IEBC ndirafinga wendekithia wa munini wa muikariri giti kuruta mawira make angikorwo atari ho.
For us, we look at it, the way forward would be that amending Article 138 would require a constitutional amendment on as provided for by the law, and that in the meantime, what would be done is if the chairperson is absent for any reason, then the commission will have an acting chair who is vice chair or another person, and then Article 259 kicks in, which provides that an acting chair can actually perform the functions of the chair. That is the position of the commission.
Uhoro-ini wigie wendekithia wa gutarwo gwa kura na moko, kamiti iyo ni iroigire ni gathikite mitaratara ya gutigirira kuria gutari na network kura ni ciatwarwo ni uria urugamirire ceceni ya guikiria kura ginyagia ceceni ya kuonganiriria kura gicigo-ini kia ubunge.
Where there is no sufficient network, just like when you send SMS, it tells you failed transmission, it may fail to go because there is no sufficient network to transmit. So now the officer starts moving. As he or she heads to the National Constituency Tallying Center, they come across a network. I'm sure waheshimiwa from northern Kenya like me knows. You come across a stray network, then it sends. If it happens to send, it becomes electronically transmitted. But that process of moving with the result when it is still looking for network is still treated as complementary.
Dereti egie ripoti ya kamiti ino ya bunge irigirirwo kwambiriria bunge-ini kiumia turorete. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Kimemia wa Mwangi.